if you know how to introduce yourself professionally
Yeah.
and confidently.
You can get job easily.
Welcome to Fluent English, where you learn to speak English fast. Do you understand English but still feel nervous to speak at work or in a meeting?
Yes, Luna. I know my job, but introducing myself to new colleagues in English, my words get mixed up.
I get it. That first impression is so important. Today, I will teach you Day 1, how to introduce yourself and your job title. These are the phrases Americans use all the time in business, but textbooks make them sound so stiff. We'll also tell you an amazing story to make you happy. A special cheat sheet of all the vocabulary words along with their example sentences is presented at the end of today's lesson as a free learning gift. After this lesson, you will walk into any room with more confidence. You will sound more friendly, more professional, more local. Stay with us. This is real English for real work life. Music, bright, optimistic acoustic guitar music plays for 8 seconds and then fades. Welcome and hook. Hey everyone, welcome to Business English Fundamentals for Beginners. I'm Luna from sunny California.
And I'm Leo, joining from Nigeria. It's great to be here, Luna.
Leo, it's awesome to have you. So today is all about Day 1, first day at a new job, a meeting with new clients, a networking event. If you listen to this podcast, that problem of what do I say about myself will be solved easily. We'll build your introduction step by step. And as a bonus, anywhere in our chat, I'll give you a pro tip, little secrets that make you sound like you've done this a million times.
Pro tips sound perfect. I need all the help I can get.
We all do. Let's start simple. Leo, if you met me for the first time at work, what's the first thing you'd say?
Hello? My name is Leo?
That's a great start. Clear and correct. But in American business culture, we often use a slightly fuller, warmer phrase. We say, "Hi, I'm Luna," or "Hello, I'm Luna." Using "I'm" is very natural. Listener practice. Let's try it. Repeat after me. Hi, I'm your name. Go ahead, say your name. Excellent. One more time. Hello, I'm your name. Perfect. Now, pro tip number 1. To sound especially engaged, you can add the person's name. It's nice to meet you, Luna. This shows you're really listening.
It's nice to meet you, Luna. It does sound more personal.
It really does. And when someone says it to you, the perfect response is, "It's nice to meet you too." That little word "too" is essential. It gives the kindness back.
So the conversation is, "Hi, I'm Leo. Hi, Leo. I'm Luna. It's nice to meet you. It's nice to meet you too."
You've got it. That's the core of a great first meeting. Now, in a social setting, we might stop there, but in business, the next question is coming. It's the big one. Are you ready?
I think so. Is it, what is your job?
Very close. The most common, natural way to ask is, what do you do? It's short, it's direct, but it's the standard question.
What do you do? Okay.
Now, this is where people get nervous. They think they need a long, complicated title. But here's the secret. Start simple. Use this easy formula. I work as a job title. Or I'm a job title. Listener practice. Let's practice the formula. Repeat after me. I work as a teacher. Good. Now try, I'm an engineer. Fantastic. Now, pro tip number 2, if you want to sound a bit more detailed, you can add at company name. For example, I work as a marketing assistant at Green Tech, or I'm a nurse at City Hospital.
So I could say, I work as a project coordinator, or I'm a project coordinator at a construction company.
Exactly. Both are perfect. Now, what if you are a student or looking for work?
That's a good question. I wouldn't say, I'm a job seeker.
Right. For students, it's easy. I'm a student. You can add, I study your subject. For someone between jobs, a professional phrase is, I'm currently exploring new opportunities in your field. It's positive and clear. You know, Leo, all this talk about introductions reminds me of a story about an American icon, Walt Disney.
The man who created Mickey Mouse?
That's him. Before he was successful, he faced many rejections. He was told his ideas wouldn't work, but he kept introducing himself and his dreams to people. He once said something powerful. The way to get started is to quit talking and begin doing.
Quit talking and begin doing.
Yes, for us, it means don't just think about the perfect introduction. Practice it. Use it. Your first introduction might not be perfect, but the act of doing it, saying, "Hi, I'm," and "I work as," is how you begin. Every great connection starts with that simple, brave first step. Walt Disney started with a simple sketch and a handshake. You start with a simple phrase.
That's encouraging. The goal is to begin, not to be perfect.
That's the whole idea. Now, let's put all the pieces together into a smooth introduction. Imagine we are at a conference, Leo. We haven't met before. I'll walk you through it. First, make eye contact and smile. Then, step 1, give your name. Hi, I'm Leo. Step 2, express pleasure. It's nice to meet you. Step 3, state your role. I work as a software developer. Optional, at Tech Solutions.
So the whole thing is, hi, I'm Leo. It's nice to meet you. I'm a project coordinator.
Beautiful. Now, let's do a role play. I'll be a new person and you introduce yourself to me. Ready? Well, hello there.
Take a breath. Hi, I'm Leo. It's nice to meet you. I'm a project coordinator.
It's nice to meet you too, Leo. That sounds like interesting work. See? You did it perfectly. Listener practice. Okay, listeners, your turn. Imagine you are meeting Luna. Pause the podcast and say your full introduction out loud. Hi, I'm... It's nice to meet you. I work as... Go ahead. Amazing. Give yourself a pat on the back. Now, pro tip number 3, to be a superstar, after you give your introduction, ask the other person a question. Try, "And what do you do?" This turns a monologue into a dialogue. It shows you are interested in them. Let's do a super quick review, Leo. What's the natural way to give your name?
Hi, I'm name.
What phrase always comes after names are exchanged?
It's nice to meet you. And you answer, it's nice to meet you too.
How do you answer the question, what do you do?
Use the formula, I work as a job title, or I'm a job title.
And what's the final pro move?
Ask them back, and what do you do?
You are now a professional at introductions. I'm so proud. Remember, we have that free gift for you, a cheat sheet with all these phrases and examples. You can download it and practice. The link is in the video description.
Thank you so much, Luna. I feel much more prepared for my next meeting.
You should. Remember Walt Disney's advice. Begin doing. Use these phrases today, even if it's just practicing with a friend. Together, this is Luna and Leo saying, go introduce yourself to the world. We'll see you next time on Business English Fundamentals for Beginners.